be able to tell you where the tow truck goes with the beamer on, because the beamer's got its headlights on for some reason. It's been towed from the rear, so the headlights are facing towards us. I'm directly behind the tow truck now with the beamer. The course has followed me, and we've gone straight over into Arden Road. And it's turning right into St Saviour's Road. And we're going left into Gowan Road. Okay, we've got passenger door open. There's going to be a foot chase. They're going to have a decamp, Mike Alford. They're both looking to decamp. YM, they've got the doors open. They are going to look to decamp. It's a dead end, and they are going to decamp now.